G'day, I'm Andrew Marshall with the Northern Australia Climate Program at the University of Southern Queensland. This is a short summary of the Bureau of Meteorology's climate outlook for the Northern Territory for the weeks and months ahead, issued on the 20th of June 2024. Let's first take a look at the rainfall outlooks, starting with the outlook scenarios. So this is the rainfall totals that have a 75% chance of occurring for your region. We're currently in the dry season for Northern Australia, of course, so looking ahead to the 3 months from July to September, we're seeing a 75% chance of up to about 10 millimetres of rain for southern parts of the Northern Territory. And looking further ahead to the 3 months from August to October, that rainfall signal extends over most of the Territory. And next month, we'll take a look at the Bureau's outlook for the northern rainfall onset. And now let's take a look at temperatures. So the difference from average here shows an increase in temperatures of up to a degree or so for most of the Northern Territory for the 2 weeks from the 24th of June to the 7th of July. And here the average is calculated over the 1981 to 2018 period for this time of year. Looking at the chance of extremes map for the 3 months from July to September, we're seeing an elevated chance of unusually warm days and nights across the Territory. And by unusually warm, we mean the highest 20% of historical temperature records for this time of year based on the 1981 to 2018 period. Now, these long-range forecasts are influenced by several climate factors. So let's have a quick look at the latest climate driver update from the Bureau. The El Niño Southern Oscillation is currently neutral, but we are on a La Niña watch at the moment due to early signs that a La Niña event may form in the Pacific Ocean later this year. This does not guarantee that a La Niña will develop. Only 3 of the 7 climate models that the Bureau surveys here are showing the possibility of La Niña conditions from September. The remaining 4 are suggesting neutral conditions will continue. And I should emphasise that early signs of La Niña are most relevant to the climate of the tropical Pacific region, and that the long-range forecast for Australian rainfall and temperature that I've just discussed provides better guidance for local climate. With regards to the other climate drivers, the Indian Ocean Dipole, or the IOD, is currently neutral. Climate models suggest a positive IOD is possible during the winter. However, the IOD forecast skill is typically low at this time of year, so outlooks beyond June should be viewed with caution. And the model skill does improve through the winter. Not much is happening with the Madden-Julian Oscillation or the Southern Annular Mode, both of which are weak or neutral and are expected to remain so for the rest of June. And finally, turning to the pasture growth outlook from Long Paddock for the 3 months from June to August. Not much happening for northern regions at this time of year, of course, but some of the southern regions are expected to see varying amounts of pasture growth in response to that expected rainfall in the coming months. For further information and updates, please visit the Bureau's climate pages at bom.gov.au/climate. If you have any questions about recent conditions or the use of weather and climate forecasts, please reach out to your local climate mate. You can read more about the Northern Australia Climate Program at nacp.org.au. See you next time.